Welcome to Phillis Wholesale Cars. This is our black on black SV8 V8 Commodore automatic. Let's walk around this car and show you how special this car is. Let's start by showing you the 20-inch Speedy mags on brand new tyres, 4 brand new tyres. You can have a look here. You get your darkest legal window tint, which looks fantastic. All panels nice and straight. You can hear this thing just purring that beautiful Chevrolet V8 motor. Let's have a look down here. Nice wide wheels at the back. You can see our dual exhaust. Our official Holden tow bar. Come back with our Chevy badges. Just a ripper looking car. Let's have a look at this thing. Let's go around this side of the car. So what we do now is we'll take you through the interior of the car, show you the motor, and also let you hear the rev of this motor. So for any passengers in the back, got a very, very clean interior. Coming to the front of the car, you can see inside a very, very clean interior. You've got your JVC stereo system, beautiful interior, automatic cold air conditioning. This has just had a service as well. Alright, let's see the motor of this car and let's hear the engine note. You can see your LS1 motor, SS8. Beautiful. Been tuned through SS inductions. Now he's had a lot of money spent on this car and the engine. You've got LS1 motor, famous by Corvette and HSV. As we can see, we're going to the interior of the car now as well. Full logbooks. You can see it's just had a service through All Car Mechanical. Here's our JVC system, cold air conditioning, and all our logbooks are just in here. Beautiful car, Phillis Wholesale Cars, 0411 600 300, 38 Commercial Drive, Ashmore on the Gold Coast. Thank you.